Hello everyone, welcome to Candy Experiments. Today we are going to be doing some experiments with Skittles, with gummy bears, gummy worms, and some pop. So off screen, I have made my Skittles on this paper plate, and I have made them a circle, just like that. And these glasses are full of salt water, olive oil, lemon juice, and pop. Meanwhile, in the background, I also have a kettle full of hot water that is beginning to boil. So while we wait for that to boil, I am going to take 4 gummy bears, and I am going to pop 1 in the pop, 1 in the lemon juice, 1 in the oil, and 1 in the salt water. And we are going to let those sit there while we do this. And we are going to find out, what do each of these beverages, or liquids I should say, because you don't want to drink olive oil, what do they do to gummy bears if you leave them in? Do we think they'll dissolve? Do we think that they will be no change? Do we think they'll get bigger? We're going to have to see. So I can hear now that my water is warming up. So, oops, my camera fell. I have it strategically placed. So we are going to watch the Skittles here, the hot water. And while we do that, we're going to think about, what exactly do we think is going to happen? What are these Skittles going to look like once they have all of the water in them? Alright, and we're back with Candy Experiments. So in here, I don't know if you remembered, but we have our little gummy worms and a baking soda. So we are going to put a little bit of vinegar and see if we can get that reaction going again. So it is fizzing a little bit more, and you can see that there are a ton of bubbles. So let's see if we can see anything else happening. I'm going to put a little more vinegar, because vinegar and baking soda has this chemical reaction where it makes everything super fizzy. Now I'm not sure, I think we may have put in a little too much baking soda, but if you guys try this experiment at home, definitely let me know. So what we should be seeing, if it wasn't so cloudy like this, is we should be seeing the gummy worms beginning to move around and kind of dance. But it's not, I don't think we're going to be able to see it. But maybe you guys can do it better than I did. And then last but not least, we have our gummy bears. So we were soaking them for about an hour, and I bet you can get even more extreme results if you go longer. So this one we have the salt water. It looks like he got a little bit bigger, but he doesn't feel any different. This one was the oil, and he's not different at all. Nothing changed there. But this guy, I'm surprised. This is the lemon juice, and he's very squishy, and he got bigger. And then this guy was in the pop, and he got a little bit bigger, and he took on the color of the pop, which I thought was interesting. But the biggest one is absolutely the lemon juice bear, and I'd be excited to see if you guys kept him in for longer, what exactly happened. So those are our candy experiments for the day, and I hope you guys have fun testing them out. I hope you had fun watching. And the fun fact about experiments and science is that sometimes things don't work out, but you still tried, and that's all that matters. Alright guys, we will see you next time. Have a great day.